Let's say that you want to compare all your competitors at the same time. You might think that this will take hours, right? Well, now it just takes a click. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to share how to make the most of the benchmark feature on Panoramata, how to compare all your competitors automatically during any period of time, and how to compare yourself against them as well. Creating a benchmark is super easy. Just go on the benchmark, create a new one, and you'll land on a page where you can just now pick the companies you'd like to group and to compare. It's super easy to just go here, remove a company, or use the search to look for all the jewelry companies that are part here and add a new one or two. And we have them here. Here's a cool feature on Panoramata. You can tell to the platform which company is yours if you're part of this group. And for this, you just need to feature yourself and you're going to be highlighted on the platform and the platform is going to give you recommendations and insights for you directly. If I go back on the compare and statistic tab here, for any period of time, again, the platform is now going to compare all the companies that are part of this grouping. So I can instantly get an answer to my question, which company has sent the most emails during this period? Which company has done the most promotions? Which company had the best deliverability? And if you'd like to see specifically the emails they've been sending, it now just takes a click and you get them all here. We have this for the emails. We have this for the ads as well. Which company has published the most ads during the last 30 days too? On which network? How many images? How many videos? What were the main USPs? You get an answer to all these questions right away. Same thing on the socials, specifically on Instagram. Which company has experienced the most growth in followers or engagement rate and in SEO metrics as well. You can also have graphs and stats on the specific companies that you've selected as well. How many emails they're sending per week, which company is the most active, which company is publishing the most discounts, and which kind of discounts as well. Which company is growing the fastest on the social networks, and what are the main USPs that they're advertising on. You can search across their whole emails or ads in one place. Let's see, for instance, every single email mentioning the keyword gold sent by the specific companies that I've selected in this grouping. Here we go. You can also track specific keywords if you'd like to see which companies have mentioned this keyword during the last 30 days, at which rate, in their emails or in their ads, and you have access to all these features in one place just with the benchmark feature. And it's never been easier to just go here, change the name of your benchmark if you'd like to, add keywords, and manage the permissions. If you'd like to create this benchmark only for you, to share it with your team or make it public, you can manage so just right here.